What are we doing today, Julia?
Making muffins.
Making muffins. Do you like muffins?
Chocolate chips muffins.
Chocolate chip. And what else are we going to put in today?
Butter.
Butter? Yes, that's the first thing we need to do is...
And then cook them.
That's right. Cook the butter. Melt the butter. First, let's melt the butter. You want to keep an eye on that, Julia?
Yes, it's moving.
Now, where's Julia gone?
Surprise!
We have oh, careful. We have melted the butter and it's in the pan, it's all melted. And now we let that cool. Put that aside for a little while. What do we need next, Julia? Sugar?
Yes.
Okay, let's get the sugar. So we need 125 grams caster sugar. You want to measure it?
Yes.
Let's measure 125 grams.
Tell me when you stop.
You're getting close. We there yet? So now we've got 125 grams of sugar. Right.
Surprise!
So now we need some flour. How much flour, Julia?
84.
Self-raising flour.
Okay, 84, 90, 20.
We need 310 grams of self-raising flour.
No, we need 20.
That's flour with baking powder already inside. Okay, so let's make 310 grams. Keep going.
304.
Oh, that's 34. Let's try 310. So now we've got 310 grams of flour. Can you get the flour and sifter and sift it, please? Good job.
You did a sifter.
Oh, I do the sifter. Okay, let's sift the flour. It's a bit smoky. So now we have our sifted flour and we need to get some... What's next, Julia? What are they?
Look, this is my smiley face.
2 eggs. Okay, let's break the
This
eggs
is my
into the bowl.
egg face. This is my eye face.
Hello,
Eggs.
eye face.
Eggs.
Let's break the eggs into the bowl. Oh, we did it. Yay. Well done. Let's try the second egg. Oh, that was better. So let's mix the eggs. Mix them together. Yep. Good. Well done. What's next?
Surprise!
What is it?
Surprise! It's milk.
How much milk? 375 milliliters. Okay? Milliliters.
Milliliters.
Okay. So now we need to put all the ingredients together. Can you do that? Put everything in. We've got the big bowl with the flour. What's next? Put in the sugar. Can you do that, Julia? Pour it in. In it goes. Pour in the sugar. Well done. Put in the eggs. Perfect. Yay. In the milk. And mix it. Can you mix it?
Yuck.
Ooh.
Disgusting.
Is it?
Yes.
So we also need to put in the melted butter. Can you put in the butter?
Okay.
Okay.
You do it.
Me? Okay. Let's pour it in. Let's have a look. Pour in the butter. Give it a little mix. You don't have to mix it too much. So now, Julia, let's put in the... No. Let's put in the blueberries and choc chips. Show me the blueberries. They are frozen blueberries.
Cold,
Ooh,
cold, cold. Ah! I'm going to burn my finger.
Okay, put them in. No, don't eat them. Put them in. Yay. Nice. All in together. Yay. And let's put in the choc chips. You can put as many as you like in. Really?
I don't want to put them all in.
Give it a mix. Just enough. That's good. Perfect. And now we need to put it in the pan. So we've got our 12 pan or you can use 2 6-cup pans. And we have some little patty cases. And can you put them in the pan?
Yes, but I want to tell you something, Mommy.
What?
Say, when you finish with that bowl, then I'm going to lick it.
Okay, all right. What's next? So let's get the mixture and the pan and put the mixture into the pan. All right? Yeah? So we filled the 12 cups in the pan and we're ready for the oven.
Yay!
So let's put them in the oven for about 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius.
Oh, golly.
Okay, Julia, your job now. Lick the bowl.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
What do you like about making muffins?
Licking the bowl.
Yes, and we like eating them. Do you like eating them?
The chocolate.
The chocolate, yes. And you can put all sorts of things in the muffins. Like today we put choc chips and what was the other fruit?
Blueberry.
Blueberries?
No, it means purple berry.
Yes, but you can also put apple, pear, chocolate chips, just chocolate chips. Or what else could you put in, Julia?
Bananas.
Yes, bananas.
Banana, meatball.
Okay, Julia, I think they are ready. Let's get them out. Let's get them out of the oven. Watch out, they're hot. Very hot. Yay.
I can see the chocolates.
They are looking perfect. A little bit brown on the top and smell yummy.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, just be careful, they're hot. They are good. Let them sit just for a few minutes and then we'll take them out of the pan. Okay? Yeah? Here they are. All beautiful, looking delicious. So let's take them out of the pan and try maybe in a few minutes to eat one.
I'm gonna eat them. You're not.
Now is the tasting time. Can you taste one?
Yes.
Tell me what you think. Which one are you going to choose? Ooh, show us. Ooh, yummy. Can you eat it? Ooh. How's that?
Tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like chocolate. Good. Is it delicious? Yeah? Ooh. Enjoy your muffins. Bon appetit. The secret to delicious muffins that rise and look delicious is first have a good recipe. This recipe always works. That's why we like making with this recipe, don't we, Julia? And a nice hot oven. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye-bye.